Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to view your old stories on Instagram. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to see your old Instagram stories, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to open up your Instagram app. Next you want to tap on your profile tab here at the bottom right. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right. Now you want to tap on your activity. Then you want to tap on archived. Now here you can see all your old stories which you have posted on Instagram. So as an example, I can just tap on an old story and this way I can view my old Instagram stories. So that is how to view old Instagram stories on your Instagram app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.